Hello friends, thanks for joining me. Creating today's page, we are encouraged to enjoy and appreciate the little things. And that's exactly where we're starting on this spread. So once again, I'm using a page from that calendar that I found on clearance, and I'm adhering that on one side of this spread. As usual, I am using my tacky glue to do that, and you'll see that I'm using a pair of, today it's scissors, to spread the glue out. I always like to press that glue. I like to press it around, make sure that everything is super flat, and I don't even mind if the glue kind of pushes out to the sides because then I use that to seal the edges, so that doesn't bother me at all if that happens. Moving over to the other side for a little bit, I am spreading some glitter paint around on this page. I'm just using my finger. I'm keeping it super simple. I just wanted to put a little touch of color and shine on that page. For each page that I work on, I'm really trying to include at least one item that might have been headed for the recycling bin. So in this case, this blue piece of paper, it's actually a gift bag, and it came all the way from, I think, the Netherlands. Anyway, my son brought a gift home to me and it was in this bag. So I'm going to use that in this book. So I'm just, again, using my tacky glue and adhering that onto the opposite page, and it will hold a journaling tuck. Also, I'm going to use this purple envelope as a journaling pocket, and I am threading it with some purple ribbon just to add some color and texture to the page, and that's actually going to go on the right side of this spread. If you've seen some of my other videos about creating this book, you'll know that I'm using these little envelopes with these sassy girls on them throughout, and this is no exception. I'm going to use another one here on this page and just attach a small piece of, it's actually scrapbook paper, and it has a mermaid design on it. Super pretty. It's got some shimmer, and so I'll use another piece of that on the opposite side where it says great things take time. This page was super easy and super fast to complete. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and watching me create this page. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. See you soon.